What's good? What's happening? It's GR of the week, and I still need to go doctors about my ear because it sounds like I'm underwater. Yes, people, it's my favourite time of the week. It is your favourite time of the week. It is none other than the return of GR of the week. And today we have not one pair, but two pairs of Nike Air Force Ones. But before we get into the boxes, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below because you know it really helps the channel. So first and foremost, Foot Locker, can you sort your stuff out? You can see how beaten up this box is. Learn how to double box because I like to keep my shoes pristine, especially when I've got a nice white Air Force One like this. This is the NBA edition, and straight away, I'm getting satin vibes of that recent Air Jordan 1 that released. Come with a white tumbled leather all the way across the upper. This is then contrasted by the split swoosh on both the medial and lateral sides, but the highlight has to be this premium red satin that's coming all the way across the heel. I mean, oof. You know, if you watched GR of the week before, that is a sound for high heat. This shoe is absolutely banging, and it's only £85, so a little premium on your usual Air Force One. But when you've got three colorways, we've only got two here. There is also a black iteration that is available now of this shoe. You can't really complain at the extra 10 or above retail. Once again, coming with that white tumbled leather all the way across the upper. This one then has a navy satin coming all the way across the heel, and it's just an amazing shoe. Rounded off with NBA branded to the heel, as well as the tongue, and another premium leather hit on the heel counter. This shoe is exceptional. And if you're looking to pick up a pair, I would suggest going at least half a size down. Some people go a whole size down in Air Force Ones, but I'm a UK 10, normally go for a UK 9.5. And as I said, if you want a pair of these, they are available now via Foot Locker in 3 different colorways for £85. And because I'm such a nice bloke, I will leave you a link down in the description as to where you can cop these shoes. And I'm not gonna lie, although it's going into winter, this will be going into my rotation. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier, and this has been the Nike Air Force One NBA. We'll see you very soon for another GR of the week. And while you're at it, hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. See you. I'm like Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible when he's dangling over that. Goes through all lasers. I know you're going to put that in B-roll.